Hello everybody, welcome to Code with Aditya. Today we're going to be doing another Scratch project called Ghostbusters. So let's get started. Oops. So we want to make this project. I'm just going to show a demo here. So if we try it out, we have to click the ghosts as fast as you can before the time runs out and try to get your highest score. Okay, see it ran out, so yeah. So let's start with animated ghost. So create a new Scratch project. So I'm just gonna go to my stuff. And I'm gonna click new project. And I'm gonna name this Ghostbusters. Okay. So then we wanna add a ghost sprite and a suitable stage backdrop. So let's delete the cat by clicking the trash icon here. Choose a backdrop and then click on the magnifying glass. And then what backdrop should we choose? Choose let's do fantasy woods. Click on fantasy and then choose woods. So that's our backdrop we're going to use. And then we want to click the sprite right next to the backdrop right here. We're going to do this and click the same magnifying glass. And I'm just going to search up ghost and click on ghost like this. So now we want to just save our Scratch project. Clicking the save now button up there. Now random ghosts. Can you add codes to your ghost? It's instead of staying in the same position, the ghost appears in random positions on the stage. So let's use the hint. So we need this code here. So click on the ghost, go to events, when flag clicked, control, wait 1 second. Oh wait, we get the forever, and then we go to looks, drag in the hide block, go back to control, drag in the wait 1 second, and then go to motion, go to click, drag in, go to random position, and then go to show. So in the looks tab, go to drag and show, and then wait 1 second again in control. So now if we try it out, it appears in random places. Now to add more randomness, we can set the size smaller. So to do that, all we have to do is go to looks, set size to 100%. Right under go to random position, I'm just gonna set size to, let's say, operators, and then go to pick random 1 to 10. Let's make it pick random 20 to let's say 100. So 20 to 100%. Now if we try it out, see it's like small, and it could be bigger, It's a little too tiny, so I'm gonna make this like 40%. I stop it now. I try it again. Like this. So it's like actually clickable. Okay. So now that was a challenge. So now we have to code for catching more ghosts. So we're gonna hide the ghost when you do that. So we can click on the hint. When this right clicked, hide. So go to events. When this right clicked, looks, hide. Right here. Now if we do this, now hide. Okay, so now we want to add sound. So can you add sound to the ghost when it caught? So go to the sound tab and then click play sound space ripple until done. So let's, after you hide it, play sound. So let's try it out. Okay. And that's basically it. If you want to do a different sound, we just go to sounds and this button right here, click choose a sound. Like, let's do a pop something. You can add the pop sound, just click on it. And now go back to your code, click on space ripple and select pop. So now if we try it out, and it works. So let's now let's add a score. So let's go to variables and we want to make a variable right here named score. Right here. And now we want to keep track of the player's score when they click on Ghost to catch them. Each player clicks on it, their score should increase. So I don't think we need a hint for this one. So when we do when this sprite clicked, we want to change my variable by 1, but change my variable to score. So now in the beginning, we want to set it to 0. So right before the forever, drag in to set my variable to 0 and change my variable to score. So now if we try it out, and whenever we click on the ghost, it adds a score. Now if we check our code, we did it correctly. So now let's add a timer. So create a new variable called time. So go to variables, click make a variable, and type in time. Okay? And now we need to add a timer to your stage that will only give our player 10 seconds. So let's let's go to the forever and we can just do change variable by 1, but this changes every 2 seconds. So maybe we should add another events when flag clicked, drag in one flag clicked here, and drag in repeat until. We want to repeat until, and then we want to go to operators and drag in the equal operator, blank equals to 50 into the box. Go to variables, drag in time into the other circle, and change 50 to 0. So when time equals to 0, we want to stop doing what we're doing. But in here, we want to change time by -1. And then we want to wait 1 second. So go to control, wait 1 second. So every second, it'll put one time by -1, and we want to change my variable to time. So if we try it out now, I'm gonna click on the time variable and drag it to the other corner, like this. One thing we're forgetting, what we have to do is we also have to set this time to 10. So let's go back to variables and then set my variable to 0. Let's set that to time and then some 0 to 10. Now if we try it out, it always starts at 9. So let's fix that and just make this 11. So now 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when it's over, it will still be going. So we actually need to stop the game. So let's try stopping the game. So what we need to do, we just need to go to control and we need to do stop all at the bottom. Now if we try it out, once it runs out, it should stop. and everything stopped. So now there's a challenge, adding more sprites, so you can add like a bat, a tiny ghost or something. So that this is a challenge for you to do. And I hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.